Hi, this is Colette from Go North Yarnworks. Today I want to show you how to do a waistcoat single crochet 2 together. When we single crochet or half double crochet or double crochet 2 stitches together, we are essentially going from 2 stitches down to 1. This is how we shape crowns of garments, toes of socks, shoulders, anywhere where you might want to sort of bring the stitches together and have fewer stitches in your row or round. Let me show you how it works. I have an Artemisia beanie right here, and I need to waistcoat single crochet 2 stitches together. The 2 stitches that I'm going to crochet together are this one right here and this one right here. Now, when we work a single crochet 2 together, normally you would insert your hook here at the tops of the stitches, but we're working a waistcoat single crochet 2 together. So instead of inserting our hook here, we need to insert our hook in between the post of the stitch, like this. We will yarn over and pull up a loop. Be sure to pull it up nice and tall and give yourself some space there. And then we'll go to the second stitch. We'll keep those 2 loops on our hook. Insert your hook into the post of the second stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. Let's try that again. We're going to work a waistcoat single crochet 2 together in these next 2 stitches. So I will insert my hook in the center of the post of the first stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop nice and tall. I'll keep both those loops on my hook and insert my hook into the center of the post of the next stitch. Yarn over, pull that loop up nice and tall, yarn over, and then pull through all 3 loops on the hook, just like that. So you can see that I have finished my round here per my pattern. I still need to work my waistcoat single crochet 2 together, and you can see that in the row below I've also worked waistcoat single crochets 2 together. So just of note, if you are working this pattern, when you're going to waistcoat single crochet 2 together on top of 2 of those very same stitches, you're going to insert your hook kind of through both posts. So if you look really closely here, you can see the post of the first stitch and the second stitch, and they were both worked together. So you're going to essentially insert your hook under that first leg and then insert your hook in the center, in the center of the post on the second stitch, right there. Yarn over, pull up a loop. I'm going to keep both loops on my hook. This is the second stitch that I'm going to work into. Again, you can see 2 separate posts that were crocheted together. So I'm going to go under that first leg and then through the second post. Pull up a loop nice and tall, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Let's look at that just one more time. I'm going to work a waistcoat single crochet through 2 stitches, waistcoat single crochet 2 together through these 2 stitches that were also worked as waistcoat single crochets 2 together. So I'm going to insert my hook under that leg of the first post and then through the back of the second post, yarn over and pull up a loop nice and tall. And then in the second stitch under that first leg and then through the back to the back of that second post, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that's how you work a waistcoat single crochet, both over a regular stitch and over a waistcoat single crochet 2 together. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe as I share many more tutorials with you here at Go North Yarnworks.